So today was the first day of first aid training. Can you guys believe I am actually learning first aid? Well, it's a part of the requirement for Rover Scouts, so all Rover Scouts are being trained, or most of us, we are being trained for first aid. And today was my first day, guys. I learned so much, like wound and burn and how to treat it, and even electricity and all of that. So tomorrow is the practical for what we learned today, and the assessment in order for us to get our certification as first aid responders. Today was fun. It was fun. Hi. It was fun today in that I learned so much, and it was with my Rover Scouts, and I love being around my Rover Scout members. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I know I've been gone for 2 weeks, but I didn't see anything to vlog. My life is dull. Okay, I'm in my one of my casual Rover Scout uniform, which is all black, and my Rover Scout badge right here. My beret, sorry, is in my bag, because look at my hair, guys. I took out the braids. I finally took out the braids, and look at this growth now. My hair is growing. Look at this growth, yo. This is a lot of growth. I don't know what I'm going to wear. I did vlog a little bit of what we did today, guys. The instructor lifted me up. I know I'm the smallest one in the group, which means I'm lighter, but I wish so. I'm going to check to see if any one of my Rover Scouts videoed that and insert it. But I'm so excited about learning first aid, because it's something that I've always wanted to learn with the CPR and stuff. And I thought it was just CPR, how to save somebody that's not breathing or choking, but it's so much more. They show you what to do if you have a wound, if you got a burn, if something is stuck in the eye, and if it's puncture and all of that, not to remove the stuff. So I'm learning, and hopefully I'll remember what I've learned today to put in the assessment tomorrow. He did encourage that we should take notes, and if we don't feel like taking notes, we should snap a pic of to tell us the important stuff that we should expect to see again. So I did snap pictures of those also.
So we're going to transfer from one chair, one set of rescue up to another set of rescue up.
So that's what we did today, and we completed our second day of first aid training. Now this is a training that I've always wanted to do, never got the opportunity or never got the drive to do it. And the funny thing is, the first day of training, I'm like, to get up out of my bed that early and to come on campus, and I'm going back to work tomorrow. I should just stay home and rest. But I don't regret any moment of it. I mean, the instructor, he was so good. It suited him. I'm glad that he's the one that they got to come and train us. Big up to the St. Andrew Ambulance for coming in and helping us learn first aid. It's a really important skill to have. It looks good on your resume, and as Rover Scouts, we should be a part of the first responders. So when you're around somebody, it's good to know what to do in case it's a choking thing, an insect bite, an amputation, a burn, all that. It was so lovely to learn, and it was educational to me. And thank you, Rover Scouts, for making sure that we learn all these important and vital lessons. So we just did the theory was yesterday, we did practical today, and it was so fun. You guys saw the bandage where I was tied up and all of that. You saw when my fellow Rover Scouts were doing the chest I'm not even going to the chest compressions. They were 1, 2, 3, and we turned it into a beat, and they were dancing. It was fun. So thanks once again. If you're new here, please remember, if you're new here, my name is Shandizzle, and I'm so happy to have you. Please leave a comment, let me know that you're new, or let me know what you think of today's video. Please remember to like, share, comment, tell a friend so I can get some more subscribers. If you have been here from the beginning or for some weeks now, thank you so much. Keep watching, you keep liking, I appreciate it. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.